Hello everyone, my name is Audrey and I'm not a professional, but I'm in the kitchen again today, which means it's time to pretend like I'm a professional. I would say that I'm a relatively decent cook. I don't get a whole lot of complaints about the things that I cook usually, but when it comes to baking, things don't always turn out the way that they're supposed to, because when you're cooking, you can kind of guess at the amount of ingredients you want to use, but when you're baking, everything has to be measured out perfectly, and there's not a whole lot of room for error, which made a lot of errors in my lifetime when it comes to baking. So, but today I'm making Oreo cookies, which evidently are supposed to be more like the Oreo cakester things that existed once upon a time. I loved those when I was a kid, and for whatever reason they don't exist anymore. I haven't seen them in stores in a couple of years now, so yeah, we're gonna try to make those today. We'll see what happens, as usual. So I'll get to the measurement part in a second, but you need flour, which is what's in here. I think it's all-purpose flour. And then you need unsweetened cocoa. I don't know how much is in this, but I don't think it's as much as we need for this recipe, so we're gonna have to use 2 different containers. You need baking soda, baking powder, some salt, sugar, which is in this container, an egg. I put it in a bowl so it would not escape. And then you need, I think it's 10 tablespoons of butter that I already measured out because it's supposed to be softened butter, but it doesn't look like it does right now. I know that I was just saying that when you're baking, you have to measure everything out really carefully. I sort of did that. I measured the flour and the baking soda and the baking powder and most of the sugar. This looked like it had maybe half a cup left in it. I mean, I measured part of it and then I was like, this looks like it should be plenty. So I just kind of emptied the rest of it. So it's empty now. And the salt, I just kind of put some salt in there and I'm sure that's plenty. And the sugar, I used up the rest that was in this can of sugar. So I just kind of guessed at that. So, I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine, right? In a mixer, combine the flour, cocoa, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. So basically all the dry ingredients. When thoroughly mixed, if it's all the dry ingredients, why can't I just stir it up and then put it in the mixer and then add the butter and the egg? Okay. Oh, there's a cloud. So the butter is supposed to be softened. It is not. And I don't want to wait several hours for it to do that. So I'm gonna microwave it a little bit and we'll just go from there. I'm aware that I'm breaking the rules again, but you gotta do what you gotta do when you want some Oreo cookies. Oh, the little piece started, oh no! I don't know if this, oh, well, actually, this might not be the worst thing that ever happened. Yep. We'll work with it. We'll make it work. I don't know if you can see what's happening. It sort of turned into, oh, it's locked. It sort of turned into lumps. There's a little bit more butter, so I'm gonna just add it right there. I need a professional! Let's mix it some more. See what happens. Oh, okay. That's why you lock it. Now it's this sort of lumpy consistency, which I guess is correct. So we take rounded tablespoons of the cookie dough, okay, and roll them into a ball between the palms of your hands. Okay, sounds fun. Wonder if this is too big. Maybe if yeah, that's better. I got some butter on the mixer. I'll clean. Hey. The cookies are ready. Wow. Oh gosh, that's hot. Okay, here we go. That's quite warm. Wow. Wow. I'm about to make the cookie icing and I have realized there's a small hitch in the situation. So I don't even know what palm shortening is, and we definitely don't have any of that here. So what I'm gonna do instead is use twice as much of the unsalted butter, and then that's the confectioner sugar, and that's what I sifted with, and then that's the vanilla over here. And then those are the cookies, and they're cooling and they smell so good. I want to eat them right now. There was a little bit of a sugar explosion. So we have the sugar. Please don't make a mess. And we have butter. Whee. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. And I know that I said I was going to follow the rules, but I don't measure the vanilla, I just kind of pour some in there. That's how this works. So, yep, that looks like plenty. Here we go. I'm gonna add some whipping cream. Here we go. The pictures from the recipe show them using fancy little tools to put the icing on the cookies, but I'm not gonna do that. Got cookie, icing, knife. These actually turned out to be way bigger than I thought they would. And it's supposed to be an Oreo cookie type of thing. I don't know. Brought you a cookie. Eat it.
Why?
It's an Oreo. On a scale of 1 to 10.
9.
Cool, I'll take that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more cookies. Yep. Oop. Bye.